Octave Deluxe is a cutting-edge plugin built specifically for making hip-hop music. It was created to help rap producers capture their creativity in minutes. It's a simple-to-use, low CPU plugin, and the presets were designed for today's rap producers. It features sounds recorded all over the world in some iconic spaces with live strings, guitars, pianos, and rare vintage synthesizers. With over 300 custom-made presets, you'll never run out of new ideas. Octave Deluxe comes with built-in effects, like vinyl and reverb, to give you full creative control of your sound. Octave Deluxe also comes with a free drum kit, sample pack, and over 100 MIDI files. You'll have everything you need to create full-sounding beats in minutes. There's nothing complicated about Octave Deluxe. The interface is producer-friendly. Anyone can fire it up and start creating immediately. Whether you're just learning to make beats for the first time or you already have a wall full of plaques, you'll have endless opportunities to make music that sets you apart. Made for producers, by producers.